Okay, I just took the exhaust out and I just drained the gas tank, so there's like 2 gallons of gas in here yet. Good, I got weed eater gas now. But now we're gonna be unhooking throttle cables and choke cables and all that good shit.
Good morning, number 80. You're on trade fair.
Good morning, Jimmy.
Yes, ma'am.
Jimmy, this morning got some German Shepherd puppies, HAC registered, and they're ready to go to a new home. And my number is 817-526.
Those are some small motherfuckers there.
Thank you so much. German Shepherd puppies, 817-526.
They're bigger than a 932nd.
There's a humongous pool of water by the hot water heater. Here's your plumber's number.
I don't think I got that one.
I'm going to need my break. This is my cell phone.
Dear, I love you, but I want this done right this time. Please call 1-800-PLUMBING, and Dental Plumbing will fix the water heater and that running toilet upstairs and the leaky faucet.
Okay, I get it. 1-800-PLUMBING for Dental Plumbing.
They've been servicing Johnson, Parker, and Southern Tarrant County for 34 years.
1-800-PLUMBING.
They keep Mama happy, and we know what happens when Mama's not happy. 1-800-PLUMBING.
Crozier Pearson Cleveland Funeral Home at 512 North Ridgeway is a beautiful facility with a spacious chapel and visitation rooms to accommodate large gatherings or smaller private areas for quiet meditation. Special care is given to each family with experienced
damn it.
and a caring staff.
Never have the right
Helping
tools to
families
do
with 3D
anything.
planning or to plan the type
This
of
is too
service they
big.
wish for their loved ones. Faithfully serving families at an important time. Call Crozier Pearson Cleveland Funeral Home, your best choice in a time of need. Call 817-648-0522. As you're rolling down the road, look around. You're going to see Ram truck after
Piece of
Ram
shit.
truck like never before. Now look
Well, I guess I gotta go find a fucking socket. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back.
Oil changes, tire
Oh,
rotations, brake
my ratchet.
inspections, safety inspections, and customer care washing. LoneStarCDJ.com. Lone Star Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Cleaver. The No Braces place is ideal for children who are in their growing years. They help kids grow into their smiles, not out of them. Braces only straighten teeth after the damage.
This extension here, this one here, it's a modified short extension. It's used to change spark plugs on a 92 to 94 GMC Safari van with a V6 in it.
Call the No Brace place today at 817-866-2025 or online at nobraceplace.com.
Because you can't get to it without having to.
Especially since your air conditioner went out at home. When you cracked open
Can't get to the spark plugs with just a socket, and you can't get to them with a short extension, so you gotta have a super short extension to get to them.
Mother-in-law was staying with you until you lost her to spontaneous combustion in the living room. Maybe you should call JB's AC at 817-944-5167. JB's AC will make sure you stay in comfort all season long. So don't sweat it, crank it down with JB's AC in Burleson.
Auto Tech Services, located at 1856 Lone Star Road in Mansfield, doing paintless dent repairs. Auto Tech Services also offers collision repair and custom paintwork. Stop by for a free estimate at 1856 Lone Star Road. Insurance claims are welcome. Auto Tech Services, serving Mansfield, Arlington, and surrounding areas since 1998. Call Brian or Rick at 817-447-5511. That's 817-477-5511. Auto Tech Services.
Okay, those are off now. Just had someone give me a motor. It's too small though, it's only 12 horse.
Tuesday morning,
Won't pull
21st
anything.
day of May.
Probably
On the
just
telephone
scrap that
line with us live and
I mean,
direct
nothing
from
runs or
Star Pawn
anything.
Shop. We've got
It's a
Esther on
17
the phone
horse
line.
and
Good
take it
morning, Esther.
off.
Good morning, Jimmy.
How are you?
I am doing good.
Well, good.
Okie dokie.
Listen, I have a special guest here today. I
Uh-oh.
have Pixie.
Pixie.
Yeah, she is the cutest little Labrador. You know, we're a pet-friendly pawn shop.
Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. The cat went crazy. You mentioned Pixie.
So we have lots of good things going on here today, you know. We do good loans on jewelry, gold and silver. We also buy it. Come check out our prices. We have lots of sporting
Now I'm
goods
fixing
stuff
to
out
crawl
for sale.
underneath this thing.
We have lots of
First I'm gonna jack
electronics
it
and
up.
window AC units. I don't know if you realized how hot
So I
it was
can
yesterday.
get underneath it.
It was very hot. top.
Well, maybe I'll get
I wanna
underneath
put
the
out,
front.
a special prayer for all the people in Oklahoma. I
Very
hope
true.
everybody in the
Oklahoma just had some
family is
really,
doing
really
well.
bad
Yeah,
shit go
any
through
family in
yesterday about 3
Oklahoma? That
o'clock.
part of the country?
I actually do. We
Oh,
actually
really?
have cousin-in-law. How do you say that?
Okay.
Yes, but he was safe and sound. He said he had a storm cellar in his basement, and when he came out, actually in Mower.
Oh my goodness.
But everybody was okay. He
Well,
said that's important.
That's the main thing, you bet. Good, Mitch. All right.
Yes. So, but everybody come on down and come visit with Pixie. She's a happy little lad.
Well, all right. We'll send them on down to see everybody, okay?
All right, Jimmy, you have a great
You
day.
bet. You too. Star Pawn Shop. Right there on Highway 174, right between Joshua Christian Academy and Joshua Pharmacy. And you can call Esther and Pixie and Trixie and the whole gang over there. 817-447-2800 is that phone number. Go by and see the gang over there. Good morning, number 81. Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Shit, that's clogged up. I'm gonna have to get that unclogged. I gotta find me a screwdriver.
About 5 years old.
What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna find out where all these wires go, which I know that one, it goes to the starters are positive, but these ones the kill, one's the charging mechanism, or the
Good morning.
alternator for it, and then I'm gonna get a screwdriver,
Yes, sir.
and I'm gonna get that shit out of there so I can get that bolt soaking. Let's hope that comes out. 'Cause I don't know how big the hole is on this one. They don't look, they don't look like it's very big either. But we're gonna go ahead and get that done, and I'll be right back.